Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Days. I'm Wanda, and today, Bette's Box of Blessings. This month it's for our December period, and it's called God's Gift. And if you know anything about God's gift, His Son, Jesus. And the verses this time are from Luke 2, 8 through 11, where it's talking about the shepherds in the field and going to the town of David where Christ is born. Okay. This is a really busy season for the next few weeks and a couple of months. And some people celebrate Christmas, some don't. And I get that. I personally love getting gifts. I love giving gifts. So Christmas to me is special. I like to decorate. Don't know how much I'll do this year, but we'll see. Off and on I put up a tree most years, things like that. But I really, Christmas is just special. And I get, somebody's going to say, but you don't know what day Jesus was born. Nope, really don't. I have my thoughts, but I celebrate with whenever other people celebrate. But we celebrate, Danny and I, all year long. The birth of our Savior. Okay, one book is Advent to Epiphany. And Advent is the 4 Sundays leading up to Christ's birth, the waiting, the anticipation. And this is like a devotional. It explains it. This one came from Lena, who is from the country of Latvia, 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 in Eastern Europe. She is in Colorado now, and she is a chaplain there. And they always send cards from Dayspring. These cards are beautiful. They talk about God's gift. And it also talks about people nowadays just send a picture of their family, say Merry Christmas or Happy Holidays or whatever they're going to do. They take a picture of their family, they send it. These are the old-fashioned cards. Stick your picture in here, send them off. I plan on using these for a few special friends and sending out a few holiday cards this year. This is pretty cool. This is Jesus is the key to Christmas. It is an ornament that looks like a key, and it's beautiful to hang on a Christmas tree. And it is from Lighthouse. I used to go to Lighthouse all the time. They have some beautiful things around Christmas, and I think this one is really special. Has a Bible verse on it, the star in the middle, and Jesus. It is really gorgeous, guys. A Brooklyn Tabernacle Christmas. Now, this has got to be one of the most special CDs for Christmas. Danny and I have speakers throughout the house, and he always plays Christmas music for at least the day of Christmas and the day before, and sometimes just every time he feels like playing music. So we will be putting this CD of the Brooklyn Tabernacle, and that's pretty awesome. These are little gift cards. They have their own string on the back, and it says his name will be called Wonderful Counselor. Add these to your gifts. It's pretty awesome. And the last one, I think this is probably the most special thing in here. It's called Our Family Christmas Devotional. This devotional is more for someone who has elementary school and younger children. It's like awesome. To me, you could take this and go through the month of Christmas. It starts with December 1st and runs through the 25th, I believe. Day to day, it tells songs. It gives the lyrics to them. It gives some games and some crafts to do with your children. And it talks about the story leading up to it. This is just like probably my favorite out of the whole box this time is this one thing, Our Family Christmas Devotional. So smile, enjoy this season. For over Thanksgiving, Christmas, Hanukkah, whatever you celebrate, whatever you do not celebrate, but enjoy the season and let others enjoy their seasons. That's what community is all about. Letting everybody be themselves. Hey, thank you, Bette's Box of Blessings, and thank you guys from Crazy Days.